Funny Cat videos. Today we're using it with our cat that ran away and came back, so thank you. Yeah, he's gonna be chasing after some dice and stuff like that. All right. So one more thing. Someone's brother is in Peru. Come on out here. His brother is on his way to Peru for a mission. All right. Bye. Not actually bye, but I mean and we're doing the cat thing. There is our star cat. We're really trying to get him to do this stuff. And there's our pool and trampoline. Yeah. Thumbs up, and I will get it to you. The trampoline and the pool. So give this a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, go! Go. Do it underneath. Oh no! Funny. Yeah, I can't. Are you want her to die? Creepy eyes, creepy eyes. Alright, this video is over in 3, 2, and 0. Thank you, Star Cat. Alright, so thank you everyone. And remember, if you leave a thumbs up, I will give you guys the pool and trampoline. Woo! So please subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Ready, set, go! Challenge you guys to give like and thumbs up. Did you guys do that? Alright, thank you and good night.